It's been another really busy year here at Proper DIY, so as per tradition, this is a roundup of 2025 with all the best bits all squidged together for your delight over the next few minutes. You're going to enjoy this. The first 4 months of the year started with some fairly bleak news. Do you remember that story of the two Britons that were detained in Iran as they travelled through the country in January as a part of a round-the-world motorcycle trip? Not sure if I'd have picked Iran to travel through myself. And also the day that Heathrow was closed due to a fire at a local substation, cancelling thousands of flights and disrupting even more. And that's a good example where the lack of maintenance has led to one or two, or maybe a bit more, extra costs. But here at Proper DIY HQ, we started the year on the 1st of January with a brand new channel called Tools and Effect, which was really well received and gained huge momentum throughout the year, hitting 100,000 subscribers by November. And combined with the main channel, meant that we were viewed more than 38 million times in 2025. That's more than double the number of views in 2024. So thank you for coming and watching the videos, seeing what I have to offer every Sunday and supporting the channel. On the main channel during this time, I showed you how to fix IKEA drawers and lay polymer bound gravel and do all kinds of things with mini diggers, downlights and underfloor heating. So sit back and enjoy all the best bits of the videos between January and April. This is the breakfast bar in my kitchen. Today I'm taking a first look. MDF is a great product. A lot of us have gravel somewhere. I guarantee you will save any DIYer money.
Well, it's all right. Riding around in the breeze. Well, it's all right. If you live the life you please. Well, it's all right. Doing the best you can. Well, it's all right. As long as you lend a hand.
So this helmet or plinth or whatever you call something that you stick to the ceiling, not sure what you call that.
Waiting for someone to tell you everything. Sit around and wonder what tomorrow will bring.
However, if you look at things as an investment rather than a cost,
Alright, even if they say you're wrong, well, it's alright. Sometimes you gotta be strong.
loads of room.
Alright, as long as you got somewhere to lay, well, it's alright. Every day is judgment day.
I've never used a hose in the bedroom before.
Maybe somewhere down the road away, at the end of the line, you'll think of me and wonder where I am these days. At the end of the line,
This drill is more powerful, compact and efficient than this drill. But what makes them different? I'll give you a bit of a clue.
well, it's alright. Even when push comes to shove, well, it's alright. If you got someone to love, well, it's alright. Everything will work out fine, well, it's alright. We're going to the end of the line. Don't have to be ashamed of the car I drive.
Before we look at this, let's go to Lidl's and see what they've got in the middle of Lidl.
Don't matter if you're by my side, I'm satisfied. Well, it's alright. Even if you're old and gray, well, it's alright. You still got something to say. Well, it's alright.
Today I'm looking at a pressure washer that doesn't start with a K.
Alright. The best you can do is forgive.
I guarantee you, you've never seen on YouTube because I just invented it.
Breeze, well, it's alright. If you live the life you please, well, it's alright. Even if the sun don't shine, well, it's alright. We're going to the end of the line.
In May, the UK government signed a deal to hand back the Chagos Islands, where we've got a really important military base. But there's good news. We're still allowed to use the base. We now just have to pay £165 million a year for the convenience. But there's even more good news. After 3 years, it only goes down to 120 million, would you believe? What a bargain. Staying with the military, in June, a couple of protesters from Palestine Action managed to get into Brize Norton, scoot around the whole airfield on electric scooters, and end up throwing red paint in the engine of a transport aircraft, costing millions of pounds worth of damage. They then had a cup of tea, checked their emails, discussed world politics for a bit before zooming off into the darkness, completely unchallenged. Well done, security team. 10 out of 10 for that one. But while all this nonsense was going on here at Proper DIY, we were getting into spring and therefore doing a lot of work outside. And everyone seemed to enjoy seeing me test out post-foam concrete. That's a product used instead of concrete or postcrete to fix your fence posts into the ground. It's a two-part product. You mix it together, it all foams up, and it's supposed to do the same job. But personally, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. During the same time, I also took you to Home Depot and Lowe's in the US. And on the Tools channel, also pointed out a tool scam where people were selling really rubbish soldering irons and claiming they were laser welders. The moral of the story is, if you think you're going to get a £3,000 laser welder for 40 quid, just don't buy it.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today.
It's a bit heavy.
I'm on my way to what I want from this world. And years from now, you'll make it to the next world. And everything that you receive of your...
That's now made it possible for us to pass 500,000 subscribers.
I took a right turning yesterday. Yeah, I took a right turning yesterday.
So that's not a good start.
I took the road that brought me to your hometown. I took the bus to streets that I could walk down. I walked the streets.
I think I need a bit of a shower, or should I have a beer first? Shower or beer?
I know that I don't want for anything.
Clearing 10 acres in just one morning.
There you go, 10 acres in one morning. I am sold. 58 quid. Bosh. Here we go.
I'll do my best. I'll do my best to do the best I can. Yeah, I'll do my best. I'll do my best to do the best I can.
That drill bit is what I would call knackered.
To keep my feet from jumping from the ground, dear. To keep my heart from jumping through my mouth, dear. To keep
This is absolutely fascinating.
try and learn when you teach me a lesson. I know that I don't want for anything. I'd have all just and saying I'm sitting on top of the world.
Today I'm going to show you how to make something to keep the most important barbecue item nice and cold. So today I'm going to review the Erbauer brad nailer. Today I'm going to show you how to grade, prepare and seed a brand new lawn. Today I'm going to review my brand new laser welding machine.
What I want from this world, and years from now, you'll make it to the next world. And everything that you receive of yonder is what you give to me the day I wonder.
But that teaches you something, which is never assume.
And years from now, you'll make it to the next world. And everything that you receive of yonder is what you gave to me the day I wonder.
And that's why it works.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
In property news in September, the Nationwide Building Society told us that property prices had fallen over 2% over the last 12 months. We also found out that Angela Rayner doesn't understand stamp duty rules. The plan to be the next Prime Minister foiled by SDLT, would you believe? As we're touching on politics, this is what I asked you this time last year. Now, talking about the government, they've now been in power 5 or 6 months. So how does everyone think they're doing? Moving on to the videos. You see, things don't change very much, but at least in the recent budget, they didn't put taxes up. Sort of. But here in the last 4 months of the year, I finally managed to bring you a real laser welder, which I was highly impressed with. I also showed you how to build a secret gate and to change your balustrades into very smart, new looking glass balustrades. I also got out and about to the Screwfix Live show, D&M show and the Harrogate Woodworking show, which meant I met up and bumped into literally hundreds of people that watched the channel, which I really enjoyed. And to a person, they were kind, enthusiastic, and just a pleasure to talk to. And just shows me it doesn't matter what nonsense is in the news and what's going on around the world, that the great British public, or at least my viewers, still have that great British combination of stoicism, politeness, and most importantly, a sense of humour. So there's still hope for all of us. Thank you so much for being here in 2025 and watching the videos. I hope you had a good year. All the best with the future, and I'm going to do it all again, but even better in 2026.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it.
If you're the type of person that cleans a shower after every use, well done.
Only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's saying,
So I don't need to measure anything. All I need to do is set it up and keep cutting.
and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now. Let me go.
Then let me just take this B&Q sticker off.
I just can't look, it's killing me.
So there you go, my electrician has just been round and disconnected everything. He is a fast worker, I must admit. At this speed, we're going to be here all day.
Jealousy, turning snakes into the sea, swimming through sick love
Something a little bit different on Tools and Effect this week.
on your alibis, but it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I missed the bright side.
It's meaning the gate is secret.
I'm coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss. How did it end up like this? It was only a kiss. It was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab
I'm here at Kempton Park.
and she's taking a drag.
Nice and warm now anyway.
And my stomach is sick and it's all in
It's all vertical as well.
touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now. Let me go. 'Cause I just can't look, it's killing me. It's taking control.
See, I pay £55 for these things, so you don't have to.
Jealousy, turning snakes into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, choking on your alibis, but it's just the
They actually still want to be above each other like this.
calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I missed the bright side.
The biggest battery powered drill I've ever got my hands on. So has anyone seen proper DIY? Yeah? Oh, I'll give you a tenner later. And this is a track. It's actually a bendy track. Saw goes in, all in the box, all wrapped up. Nice.